Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. About the title, we're doing a quick weave today. I know that this isn't one of my specialties because I usually do braids, but I don't have no money and I'm broke, so I'm doing it myself. I have some hair. I don't know what it is. My sister gave it to me. I'm a very frugal individual. And life is getting rough. These prices of these hairstyles are going up. It's just like, I can afford a trim, but a quick weave, $200. I don't have $200. We are double layered up with the caps. I do not want the glue to touch my hair, and I will be using my weave bonder protectant to seal off my hair. And here is the hair. Not really sure what it is, but I do know it's a synthetic. It's a human hair blend, because it's not completely human hair, but it's gonna get used. May not be in long, but it's gonna get used. So I'm gonna be looking off camera because I'm trying to figure out where I want my part to be. It's already braided off, and I already attached the video as to the braid pattern that I have in my hair now. I had to cut some of the extra cap off because I accidentally glued some of the part that I wanted to cut out down. So for up here the front, since some of my hair is exposed, all I do is just take some more of the Wonder Cap and apply it to my hairline, because I do not want the glue to rip out my hair. I'd rather be overprotected than not protected enough. So this is what we're going to do. My hair is completely covered, and the most protection I want is on the edges and the hairline. It's pretty soft, and we are going to get started. Here's to the part, and I'm pretty sure everyone is trying to figure out how I'm going to cover these wefts up. So what I do, it's up to you if you choose to. You can use clear glue, but I use lace glue. It dries clear, and I'm not spending no more money on anything else that I don't need. My goal is to use everything that I have in this house before I purchase anything else. But anyway, I just use some lace glue, and I go along the wefts of the actual weave. You see me blow drying because I wanted to dry clear. It's okay if it doesn't dry clear. I realize that it does cover up after a while, and it just dries clear by itself. But I cut some pieces of the hair off the weft, and I hold it in place with my finger or the comb, depending on which one I feel as though is more effective, or holding the hair actually down in place. So when you do comb through your hair, you will have some pieces that actually slide out, but it's okay. That's what it's going to do. am all done. I had to do that other half off camera because it is very tedious. It usually takes longer, but I realized it was more difficult trying to do it on camera versus doing it off camera. So now I'm about to style. The hair is pretty long. I don't know what length this is, but I don't want it. I don't not mind it being long, but since it's a human hair blend, then over time I'm gonna keep trimming it, because if you know, or if you've had human hair blend before on synthetic, then it starts to tangle up and get very irritating towards the end if I want to prolong this hairstyle. Here are the final results. I realized that this would not be in my hair long when I was trying to use the round brush to actually curl the ends, and my little bang piece where I had layered off at, it just would not comply. So I realized that this will not last long, and if it's not going to comply with the blow dry, then that means that it will not hold a curl. So I'll show you how long it is. It comes past my bra. It does move. It moves freely, but I wouldn't trust it with a flat iron or curl iron since it wouldn't actually bump with the blow dryer. But I'm just gonna rock with this for about 2-3 weeks, if it lasts 3 weeks, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, and we'll see if the hair is still flowy like this. I doubt it, but anyway, catch you guys in the next one.